Hi everyone, I am going to solve 13.5 exercise and question number 6, and from question number 1 to 5 already I have done. And question number 6 says a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter, 6 meter, length, breadth, height is given. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So in this question, the tank is the shape of cuboidal tank. So length and its having length, breadth and height is given. Length, breadth and height is given. And one thing more, 1 liters of water occupies per head per day in the gathering of 4,000 village. Okay, so first of all, question number 6, solution, and the given condition is volume of cuboidal tank. Length is given, length is 6, length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter and height is 6 meter of the cuboidal tank. So length, breadth, height is given in this question, and according to question the tank is the shape of cuboidal. So apply the formula, volume of the tank in bracket cuboidal, like length into breadth into height. So volume of cuboidal like 20 into 15 into 6. So 15 to the 30, 10 into 6, and again 6 is a 18, 1 to 1800 meter cube. This is the capacity of the tank. This is the capacity of the tank. Okay, but another unit is 150 liter. 150 liter. So we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So here 1800 meter cube. So 1800 multiplied by 1000 liters. 1000 liters, like 15 lakhs, 1 tens 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh 18 lakh liters. तो ये कंफर्म हो गया कि 18 लाख लीटर्स हमारे पास क्या है, उस कैपेसिटी ऑफ टैंक है 18 लाख लीटर्स. एंड नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशंस क्वेश्चन से 150 liters of water per head. So water consumed by the pupil of the village in 1 day. So in 1 day, number of pupil in the village 4,000, and per head water consumed is 150 liters. तो क्या हुआ कि पर हेड पे एक पर्सन पे 1 लीटर्स वाटर कंज्यूम हो रहा है. विलेज की टोटल पॉपुलेशन 4000 हो रही है, तो टोटल वाटर कंज्यूम इन अ 1 डे कितना हो रहा है, 4000 पीपल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 पर्सन 1 हेड. ठीक, इतनी चीजें कंज्यूम हो रही है. एंड नाउ सपोज कि अब टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द विलेज की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो हमारी कैपेसिटी ऑफ द टैंक के इक्वल होनी चाहिए, बट इन अ वन डे। बट हमारे पास जो 18 lakhs वाटर है वो सपोज हमें करना है कि नंबर ऑफ n डेज पे यूटिलाइज हो रही है। ओके, सो वाटर कंज्यूम बाय here write one statement more, water consumed by the all pupil of the village in n days is equal to the capacity of tank. So now water consumed by the all people of the village in n days, so in a 1 day is like 4000 into 150% per head into n days is equal to the capacity of the tank, and capacity of the tank is 18 lakh liters. So 1800 into 100 liters. So this is also in liter form, this is also in liter forms. So units are same. If units are same, then find the number of days. N is equal to 1800 into 1000 total upon this portion 4000 into 150. 0 cancel out, 0 cancel out. Okay, so now 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 90, again 2 1s are 2, 45, 15 1s are 15, 3s are, so here n is equal to 3 days. तो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा रहा कि कितने दिन में हमारा क्यूबॉइडल टैंक की जो कैपेसिटी है वो पानी पूरी तरह से यूज हो जाएगी। तो फाइनली लास्ट 3 डेज में हमारे क्यूबॉइडल टैंक की कैपेसिटी पूरी तरह से फिनिश हो जाएगी, और उस पॉपुलेशंस के लिए 3 डेज वाटर हमारे लिए कंज्यूम हो पाएंगे। देयरफॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन राइट द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट, देयरफॉर therefore the water of this tank, therefore the water of this tank will last 3 days. This is the solution of question number 6. तो फाइनली हमको क्या निकालना था इसमें, हमने पॉपुलेशंस की पर हेड के अकॉर्डिंग निकाल लिया कि वाटर कितना कंज्यूम हो रहा है, और टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइडल टैंक क्या था उसको हमने इक्वलाइज कर दिया। तो हमें रेशियो फाइंड हो जाएगा कि नंबर ऑफ डेज, कितने दिनों में वो वाटर पूरी तरीके से उस टाउन मेंबर, उस विलेज एरिया वालों के लिए कंज्यूम हो जाएगा। ठीक, लाइक लास्ट 3 days. And now question number 8, a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. Very simple. In this question, bigger volume and smaller volume. Volume of bigger cube is 12 centimeter side, and smaller of volume of smaller cube into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube, like smaller cube? And also find the ratio of their between surfaces area. No problem. First of all, find the relation between the bigger volume and smaller volume. In the bigger volume, edges is 12 centimeter, and smaller volume edges is not available in this question. So suppose question number 8 solution, here the given value is side of bigger volume like side small a is 12 centimeter is given. Okay, and lastly we know that volume of cube is side cube. So here side is 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. Save your answer. And now volume of bigger cube cut off into volume of smaller cube multiple of a, यानी वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिगर क्यूब को अगर हम कट करके एक स्मॉल क्यूब जनरेट करते हैं तो 8 क्यूब्स बनते हैं, 8 क्यूब्स बनते हैं। तो अब स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम उस 8 क्यूब से ही डिवाइड करके इसके आंसर को फाइंड कर लेंगे। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू क्यूब इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ ओरिजिनल क्यूब लाइक बिगर क्यूब कितने स्मॉल क्यूब जनरेट हो रहे हैं, 8 हो रहे हैं, तो हमने 8 से डिवाइड कर देंगे। 12 into 12 into 12 upon 8, 2 4 जा 8, 2 6 जा 12, 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12. So again 6 into 6 into 6, this is the centimeter cube, this is the volume of new cube. I think 6 6 are 36, 36 into 6, 216 centimeter cube. This is the volume of new cube. And now what will be the side of new cube? Answer is clear. Volume of new cube. So according to questions again we know that volume of new cube is equal to side cube. Okay, so volume of new cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. We can write 6 to the power 3, and here side cube tally, then side is 6 centimeter. So side of new cube is 6 centimeter. Save your answer. After that also find the ratio between their surfaces areas. We know that surfaces areas of cube is 6 side square, but here different cubes like bigger and smaller. So required ratio are ratio between bigger and smaller cube. Bigger and smaller cube. 6 SURFAC surface area of bigger total upon surface area of smaller. Okay, surface area of smaller. So here surface area of cube like 6 side square upon again 6 side square. So side bigger and side smaller. 6 cancel out. But firstly in the questions already given side of bigger cube is 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12 upon side of small cube 6 into 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 1 6, 6 2s are 12. So required ratio 4:1. Required ratio means ratio between bigger and smaller cube is 4:1. Therefore ratio between bigger and smaller cube is 4:1. Understood, children? So this is the solution of question number 8. And now question number 9. I think this is the last question of this exercise 13.5 based on cube and cuboid. And last, a river 3 meter deep like height and 40 meter wide means breadth is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर यानी 1 आवर में 2 किलोमीटर की लेंथ फ्लो कर रही है वाटर की. तो एक तरह से लेंथ भी रिकॉग्नाइज हो रहा है, हाउ मच वाटर विल फॉल इन द सी इन अ मिनट. हाउ मच वाटर विल फॉल इन टू द सी इन अ मिनट. तो 1 मिनट में कितना वाटर सी में गिर रहा है, यानी वॉल्यूम के सेंस में बताना पड़ेगा. इतने मीटर क्यूब. तो रेट ऑफ water flow is given. Main condition is here 2 kilometer per hour. So this is the question number 9. The solution, the given condition is, and main thing, rate of water flow. Rate of water flow is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. But according to question, how much water will fall into the sea in a minute. 1 मिनट में. तो किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर मिनट में चेंज करना यहाँ मस्ट है. तो रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर इज, सो हियर 2 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2000 मीटर एंड अपॉन 1 आवर कन्वर्टेड टू मिनट लाइक 60 मिनट. MIN मिनट. 0 कैंसिल आउट. 2 3s are 2 1 2. 100 upon 3. Say your answer. 100 upon 3 is मीटर पर मिनट. यानी 1 मिनट में 100 upon 3 मीटर लेंथ वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है. तो फाइनली हमको यहाँ से क्या मिल गया? लेंथ मिल गया. क्या मिल गया? लेंथ मिल गया. एंड ब्रेथ इज गिवन. ब्रेथ इज 40 मीटर एंड हाइट इज 3 मीटर गिवन. Okay, then volume of water flowed. Volume of water flowed in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Life, length into breadth into height. So length is 100 upon 3. Breadth is 40. And height is 3, so 3 cancel out. 4,000 meter cube in a minute. Water flowed in a minute into the sea is 4,000 meter cube. Okay, therefore in 1 minute, in 1 minute 4,000 meter cube water will fall in the sea. This is the solution of question number 9. This is the last question of this exercise based on volume of cube and cuboid. So, but question number 9 very interesting and very important for the examination point of view. Okay, children. So, revise and recap of this exercise at your home from question number 1 to 9, volume of cube and cuboid. In the next class, 13.6 will be started. Thank you so much.